Hi, I'm Joseph Furley. I'm from Cymru and I'm studying foundation degree Performing Arts. The thing I like most about the course is the fact that you have so much facilities. You have things such as lighting, cameras, and a lot more. I've had challenges prior to joining Coleg Gwent, but how I was assisted with this is by support from staff and also equipment or software to help me do the work and to better understand what I need to do. My tutors are great. Obviously they teach you the best and you can get support from them, and they will help you understand what you need to do. Once I leave Coleg Gwent, what I'm planning to do is go to University of South Wales to do my top-up year to get a full BA within Performing Art. My proudest moment of doing this course is the fact that we get to work with professionals within the industry. They give us feedback on what we're doing. I would recommend Coleg Gwent, as personally I believe you will have the best opportunity joining them. You've got facilities for different courses. You also got support and equipment which can help you out, and it's also local, so you won't have to travel far. Also, because it's local, it means I can get here quicker and easier, and I have a wide variety of different options, and they expand by showing you the different parts of the industry as well. So if I didn't want to just do acting, I can also do the tech side, as they show you all the different sides of the course or of the industry.